Hey guys, so today I'm going to record a DIY Valentine's Day themed dinner at home. This is for people who kind of like have kids and don't really plan to do anything extravagant for Valentine's Day. So maybe you just want to do something relaxed at home. So I'm going to give you really cute ideas, really simple. We all can do it. It's budget friendly. And I'm going to try to use majority of things that's already in my home. So check it out.
Isn't it obvious?
Hey guys, so I really just want to show you, I just went around the whole house trying to find different things. So let me just show you what I came up with so we could just make this dinner date at home. Super cute. Didn't have to go out and buy anything. So, and we see that the baby spit up on me. I have these two pink placemats. My mom gave me these when I went to her house. So these have been here. You know, I have this pink and gray throw. I found as many pillows as I can around the house, like a neutral theme. My best friend bought me those. That's it. Love. I found this old table runner that I can't use anymore because I accidentally dried it. So now it's like too short for the table. And I found this sheet that I'm going to lay out. This body pillow that we already had in our bedroom. And this tray is actually from my dining room table. I had these candles that I got for Christmas. And just these little knickknacks that I just had around the house that I really didn't have on display or anything. So this is what we're working with. I'm about to transform this space right now. Here as you need to go to sleep. All right, let's do this. So today's video is really to encourage you to be okay with doing the minimum. I know sometimes we look forward to certain holidays so we can do all the big grand gestures or whatever, which is okay. But sometimes, you know, those things become get a little pricey, get a little expensive, and a lot of pressure comes with that. And with pressure comes stress. But here is just something to show you that you can do something very minimalistic and it still just be as romantic, intimate. It could still just be as special as opposed to going out and doing something grand. So that's what I really want you guys to think about as you're watching the video. How can I bring this into my home? How can I create this spirit of love inside of my home? So I'm really excited about how things came out, but I just think I need a few more things. So I'm thinking about putting like some rose petals, like if I could find like something silk, but like neutral, not like red or anything, maybe a light pink or a white silk flower. I'll put it down. I need just like a couple of things for like a dessert. And honestly, I'm going to stop there. I'm going to just use what I have, the food that I have in the house. We're going to go there. So, okay. Harris is ready to go. Bye-bye. So, we're going to leave. See you guys soon. Okay, I am back from Family Dollar. I just put the baby to sleep, so that's why he's right there. I don't want to be too loud. So, let's see. I spent $10.51. So, I didn't want to spend that much, but I did. Whatever. It's this chocolate for real. So, I got these marshmallows. I'm going to do chocolate-covered strawberries. Chocolate covered marshmallows. I'm going to make his favorite, which is banana pudding. So that's why I have these wafers and Cool Whip. So definitely try to keep the person that you know you showing this love and gratitude for. Try to make something that's their favorite. So I know he loves banana pudding. I got these little Oreos. So I might dip that in chocolate. Here's the chocolate to melt. Look at these little. They have this pink. It is super pink. It's not as light as I like it, but I chose that over red. And here's this glitter. And I'm about to show you something really cute that I'm going to do with this glitter. All right. So here's my attempt at trying to make some fancy looking desserts. So we had one apple, and that's the marshmallows and cookies that I bought. And I found some cereal in the house, and I just crushed it up. Like I said in the third tip, just think about the person that you have in mind that you're trying to celebrate, and bring at least one dish that you know that they really love. So I know that my husband loves banana pudding. So, you know, I really want him to feel like, okay, like, you know, wifey made me banana pudding. Like, you know, put him in a good spirit, put him in a good mood. So we're having leftover spaghetti, nothing fancy. So I know this would kind of like spruce it up a little bit and really make him feel very special. And he can just enjoy it. And that would just add on to the spirit of love that's going to be created in our home. Okay guys, so it's looking really good. So all I'm going to do right now is add these rose petals. So let's see where I want them to be. I really enjoy how it's turning out. I just want to add a little bit more to add to the ambience of it. So I'm just going to just casually just spread it everywhere. It's funny because as you see, it's still a house with a kid. So like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Everything's not going to be super romantic, but just to add, you know, to it a little bit. Now, this is what I bought the glitter for. I got this idea from Bits of Brie. She's over on Instagram. Check her out. And you just literally just sprinkle a little bit of glitter. I would have preferred using like some of the thicker glitter, but it was my first time and I think I like how it came out. So here it is all dried. Okay guys, so like I said, we're just going to use what we have at home. I already have this glass bowl. And let's see how this turned out. Interesting. So it's already stuck together. Uh-oh. Let's see if I can, okay, cool. I can break them up. It just adds to the ambience, you know? It's something cute. That's cute. So let's see. I'm probably not going to be able to tilt it like that, but you see how cute that is, guys? Just like that. This is my favorite part. Now we get to set it all up and see it all come together. So think outside of the box. Add a little game. Bring out something sentimental. So that was our wine glasses that we used as party favors for our wedding. I'm bringing out the banana pudding, setting it out as the best way I can. Make it look super pretty. And I'm so pleased with how it turned out. Look at everything. This makes me so happy. Leftover spaghetti and some grape juice, of course, because, you know, we still saved in this house. Just kidding. I'm pregnant. Oh, wow. 5 things? Okay. I'm thankful to spend this time with you. So there you guys have it. A super minimal, cheap, budget-friendly dinner night at home. We bought out the game. I bought out his favorite. We're eating something that we both love, which is spaghetti, and we're just enjoying each other's company, playing a game now. And now we're going to transition into watching a movie, and you guys will be surprised at the end. We may have a little fun. You could add in a little funk in it. So go ahead and play that music, play something, do something that you guys enjoy. I love to dance. My husband don't. But, you know, after creating this spirit of love in our house and making him feel comfortable and loved and appreciated, to my surprise, he danced with me. Check it out. Okay, babe, I got you to dance. Come on. Bruh. It's crazy because I don't think that we would have had this much fun if we would have went out and been in public, because it would have made us more conservative. So being at home, we were able to be relaxed and just be our silly selves. How do it taste? It's good? Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, it's real good.
On the bomb?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. If you have made it this far in the video, I appreciate you so much. I hope that this inspired you to just be okay this season with just being at home, keeping it very simple, and just enjoy doing some things with the ones that you love. Harris, Mommy and Daddy just had a whole day night without you? You was asleep for 2 hours? You want a piece of cookie?
So that's advanced. I can't do that. You took it from like step 1.